Alright guys, this is the last video on this. I wanted to show you Desmos. You see right here we had those and we can make our chart out. But there is some good news, being as we are now high-tech. We can get the Desmos calculator. We have x, 2, and negative 2x plus 2 to do it for us. Okay? x2 and negative 2x plus 2. Here, like I told you in Unit 1, is where we get our domain. So because this is x is less than negative 3, and you get it down here with your keyboard, less than negative 3. This is less than or equal to and the greater than or equal to. We're going to put that there. So it will graph right up until negative 3. Won't graph beyond it, because that's our limit on the domain. Now y equals 2, between negative 3 and 1, we got an equal to here and then a less than. It's not good at showing that. But when we put this, you can see it going from negative 3 up to 1. Alright? And the last one we've got is the negative 2x plus 2. And x is greater than or equal to 1. So right here, it will show you exactly what you've got to graph and let you do it on your Desmos. So thought I would let y'all know about that. It's a lot easier than doing it by hand, like we had to do before. But this is a quick video just to make sure you know what's going on and remember how to limit your domain. Okay? Y'all have a good one.